Rough days are meant to be rough. Happy days are meant to be happy. So bad days are meant to be bad. In a way, rough days teach you good lesson. Rough days teach you rough lessons for your life. Happy days teach you a happy lesson. Bad days teach you a bad lesson that you shouldn't do it. Teach you a bad lesson. But that bad lesson is the one that teaches you how to avoid it up. So here's the truth. It's not about the story. It's not about the happy ending in the story. It's about the story. Okay, you hear me out. It's not purely about happy ending always. Sometimes you'll give it your all and you will still lose. I get that feeling. But there are certainties I expect from people who think this way. Certainties that take place, accountability and hold accountable when you need to. So if you lose, don't say it's your fault. You know when to hold your accountability, and that's really good if you do it. So other and those rough days are actually rough. Saying out there rough. Okay, no one is gonna hear my talk, not even the world, but I still said because it's rough, man. So yeah, everyone, listen out there. This is not supposed to be a really lightly thing to take, because like I said, you'll give your all and you'll still lose, and you should know at that time when to be held accountable for what mistake. Most of the time it won't be people's fault and they'll still say it's their fault that they didn't do something or they messed up a part. Sometimes it's true, but you shouldn't fully entirely put the blame on you, because it's a story that teaches you growth, not always rapid streak success or good ending always, not always, not even the water always gets to pass, not even the river always gets a clean water in the way. It gets dirty, yeah, but it still continues. So it's like really one of the harsh truth I really gotta say. Rough days are meant to be rough. Okay, rough days are meant to be rough. Thursdays which are bad are meant to be bad. And sad days are meant to be sad. So hear me out again. It's not a long way. It's a long teaching in many ways. It's a long teaching in many ways. It's not a long way. It's a long teaching in many ways. It will teach you a lot in many ways. And that's truth. That truth remains for everyone. You're out there standing. If you ask me a question, you can. I'll respond to it. You can answer my questions. Sure, you can. If you can do this much, then why can't you stop putting the blame on yourself entirely? God didn't give you a purpose, so you can actually put the burden on yourself. God gave you a purpose, so you can try hard. Okay, maybe we all are wrong about our delusional things,